Welcome to COL Financial. This video will guide you on how to redeem your mutual funds through your COL account. Start by logging into your COL account. Click on the Mutual Fund button found on the rightmost portion of the main tab in the COL homepage. Then this will lead you to COL Fund Source. To redeem mutual funds, you only need to do 4 simple steps. 1. Click on the Portfolio tab. This page contains all mutual funds in your portfolio. 2. Select the fund you want to redeem by clicking on the Sell button found on the left side of the fund symbol you want to redeem. This will then lead you to the Order Entry page that contains the summary of your investment. 3. Review the number of shares displayed and if you plan to only redeem a portion of your portfolio. Please type in the correct number you wish to redeem. You may check the available shares at the bottom of the page. 4. Click on the Preview Order button to give you a chance to review your order. Finally, type your password to confirm the details. Please note that mutual funds have a minimum holding period so that you won't be charged an early redemption fee. The holding period could vary from 0 to 180 days. Redemptions received before 11 a.m. on a business day will be processed that same day and at the end of day net asset value. Redemptions received after 11 a.m. will be considered for the next business day. To know the status of your orders, go to the View Orders page by clicking on the View Orders button. It has the details of both current and historical transactions that you've made. For more information, take time to read our FAQ page to learn more about mutual funds. Check out our other videos that aim to make investing easy and simple for you.